Hi everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and welcome back to our channel. So today's lunch is homemade pizza. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all hers and mine before it goes in the oven. And then I'll stop this video. I'm hoping with U-Cut I can put everything all together. We'll see how it goes. So she is having a pepperoni and cheese. She does not like tomato sauce or whatever. So we don't have pizza sauce. So we're just doing it. This is mine. It's cheese, onions, and I cooked some kale and some spinach with turkey bacon and cheese on top. So, yes, I'm all for adding stuff. I don't know how this is going to come out, but we're going to add some chives. Because I want to see. Alrighty. In the oven it goes. This should take about 10 minutes at the most. And we'll have us some pizza for lunch. Something I haven't had in a long time. So, here's my homemade, the rest of the pizza dough. I will put the recipe down below, and that's good enough. I'll put this in the freezer and save it for another day. They're the eggs. I soaked them for 24 hours. That's the sugar-free. The ironic thing, here is the cool thing, ironic however, the sugar-free Pepsi and the sugar-free Coke both have the same exact design, pattern, whatever. This right here, they both do the same thing. That's the water, that's the coffee, and that is the sugar. Mountain Dew, apple thrash apple. So yes, so woohoo! Sugar-free, sugar, water, coffee. And we'll see how they work again in a week. And I might just leave it 2 weeks. And then, yes, I'll do the taste test to see what it tastes like. And then here's my carrots fermented. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to look. And then here are my asparagus. Now, I did use something different to keep them down and the water on top. I used an onion. Because I wanted to see what it would do and how it tastes. So I guess that's because of the onion that's in there. See, I used a red onion. So I have to ask. If y'all know if this looks okay, then there we go. It's done and ready to eat. So, here we go. I'm anxious to see how that pizza's going to turn out. And if you haven't, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on our treasure home.